Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Anne, and for those of you who are new, this channel is Postcards from My Golden Years, where I talk and I share my adventures in aging. We're all aging, we're all gonna get old someday. Fortunately, at the moment, I am not what I consider in my golden years, but I'm not so far away. So basically, I share with you things that I learn in my life, beauty, recipes, travel, issues that those of us who are aging have to deal with. I try to look at things from positive light. And sometimes, the frustrations of aging are not so easy to be positive about, but it's all part of growing old. Anyway, a great big welcome to my latest subscribers. I went away on vacation and I came back to a bunch of new subscribers, and I'm so excited. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click below, just click, click, click. And if you click that little bell, every time I upload a new video, you will get a little email or message somehow from YouTube letting you know that I uploaded a new video. And in case you didn't know it, if you give me a thumbs up, that thumbs up helps increase my exposure to other people on YouTube. So if you like the material that I post on YouTube, please stop now, give me a thumbs up so that it will bring this video up into the suggested videos for other people who might be interested in watching. So basically, lately, I have been sharing with you videos from our vacation, traveling in France. And this very next video is our last night in Paris. I love Paris. Paris is my most favorite city in the world. I wish we could move to Paris, and we probably would if it wasn't so expensive. So anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And please don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and here's the video. So there's Arc de Triomphe, or as us Americans call it, the Arc de Triomphe. It's being wrapped for a special art installation. Clearly it's not complete. Sounds like there's a military band playing music. Not a lot to see other than the Arc de Triomphe wrapped in a lot of fabric. just walking down the Champs-Elysees, checking things out. So all over Paris, they have these tents where you can get a COVID test, a rapid 10-minute COVID test. And if you don't have a French health pass, you need to have a negative COVID test to get into cafes, stores, restaurants, anywhere that they check for the French health pass. And they have checked it in most places that we've gone into. So fortunately, we have that pass sanitaire. It wasn't easy to get, but we've got it. I believe that some of these places are charging like 30 euros, 40 euros for these rapid tests. Must be making a lot of money. Nothing really exciting going on here tonight. It's a typical Monday night, I guess, on the Champs-Elysees here in Paris. I noticed the Swarovski store changed their stairs. They used to have stairs where the underside was all crystals, and now they're back to regular stairs. Is the sound of traffic here in Paris. You see off in the distance, that looks like the Dior store that is wrapped. So I just realized it's Paris Design Week here in Paris. In case you didn't hear me, I said it's Paris Design Week here in Paris. There we go, look at that. Dior, Dior, Dior. It's either wrapped because they're doing construction, or that's some advertising for them. We have a little newsstand, souvenir stand. We are just passing through. That Dior building. Right next door to Louis Vuitton.
These people are like stuck in the middle. The cars are going to go whizzing by.
Lots of people at the door of Louis Vuitton. Oh, and look at the line. So this evening, our last night in Paris, we are at a restaurant called Fouquet. I've seen this over the years many times, but I have never been here. So we decided to check it out. Quite lovely. It's a nice change from just eating in cafes. And there's my favorite dining partner. And these little things, they're like a mouthful of a delicious cheese croissant. Really yummy. So this evening I have ordered a beef tenderloin, which actually came like this. But it came with these and mustard, which is great. So I will try that. My sweetheart ordered a grilled chicken Caesar. Look at that. Looks like they mixed the chicken with the Caesar salad and put it all in a head of lettuce. Very creative.
Can you explain your situation here, ma'am? What happened? You got past the first gate, but then what happened? What?
Let's just look over there.
I think this is part of your travel log.
I'm stuck here.
Okay, here's a story. Are you ready? Wait, come back, come back. Come back.
No, that doesn't work either.
Okay, you're going to have to kneel down on the ground and fall under the bar. You're going to have to hand me all of this stuff. You're going to have to limbo lower now. Lower, lower, lower. Down low. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay? And I change you free your ticket. Can I check your ticket? Your ticket, be careful, it's your phone. Credit card is free.
Put it in your credit card.
Is that what you said?
Yes.
Thank you. Merci. Voila. Voila. Bueno. Let's go to the I've opened my phone.